In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix OneDrive files missing. If something you need has disappeared from your OneDrive, don't panic. Most of the time it's recoverable with a few checks. I'll walk you through what to look for and why it works so you can get your files back quickly. First, check the OneDrive recycle bin on the web. Even if you didn't intentionally delete anything, a sync error, a cleanup from another device, or a shared folder change can send files to the bin. Open your browser, go to onedrive.com and sign in. On the left-hand menu, click Recycle Bin, scroll through and see if your files are there. If you find them, select the items you want and click Restore. They'll return to their original locations. Keep in mind the recycle bin only holds items for a limited time, so it's best to check as soon as you notice something missing. Next, check your personal vault. If you used OneDrive's Secure Vault for sensitive documents, those files won't appear in standard searches or regular folders. Open your OneDrive folder on your computer and look for the personal vault icon. Unlock it using your two-factor method. This might be a fingerprint, a code, or another authentication step. Once it's open, browse inside to see if your missing files were moved there. The vault can lock automatically after a period of inactivity, so unlocking it is essential to view what's inside. If your files show up on OneDrive.com but not on your PC, you might be dealing with a hidden sync issue or selective sync settings. Go to your system tray and right-click the OneDrive cloud icon. If you don't see it, click the small arrow on the notification area to reveal hidden icons, then click the cloud. Open the settings gear, go to the settings tab, and then choose account. Click choose folders, and make sure the folders you need are selected to sync to this device. If the folders you care about aren't checked, they won't download locally. Click OK to confirm. This prompts OneDrive to bring those files down to your computer. If you notice the app is stuck on processing changes for a long time, try resetting it to refresh the sync engine. A reset doesn't delete your data in the cloud, it just reconnects the app and can clear stuck operations. That's it. By checking the web recycle bin, unlocking your personal vault, and verifying your sync settings, you can resolve most missing OneDrive file issues quickly and safely.